Welcome to this introduction to the ground rules of successful cryptocurrency trading. The high levels of media coverage and volatile price swings have resulted in many people becoming interested in investing in or trading cryptocurrencies. A significant percentage of would-be cryptocurrency investors and traders are also inexperienced. To be successful trading any financial market, particularly one as volatile as cryptocurrencies, it is necessary to approach things in the right way. Firstly, it is important not to simply jump in for fear of missing out, regardless of how quickly prices seem to be moving, and in fact, especially so, it is crucial for a new cryptocurrency investor to first spend time on self-education. Learn in detail about the different cryptocurrencies, their technical qualities and price history, and market supply and demand factors that will or could influence their future value. It is also important to learn about the different ways it's possible to invest in or trade cryptocurrencies, buying them over an exchange or simply trading their price changes through financial derivatives such as CFDs or futures. Each approach has its own strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and risks. Be sure to follow different experts on cryptocurrencies, trading and investing, and listen to what they have to say and learn from them. It is also important to learn from experts with different opinions, negative and positive, on different cryptocurrencies and the wider market. Assimilating these different opinions will help you reach a more objective view and help you begin to think more critically yourself. And finally, before you invest or once you have invested in cryptocurrencies, you should follow the markets and news carefully. Things can change very quickly, and keeping up to date with developments will be key to your chances of investing or trading cryptocurrencies successfully. And finally, always be financially prudent, learn when to take profits, cut losses, and never invest more than you can afford to potentially lose. Follow these ground rules and you'll give yourself the best chance of success investing or trading cryptocurrencies.